Hello, we appreciate you visiting the PASSIONOY channel. Each video is created in love, driven by passion, and fueled by joy. Your PASSIONOY journey starts now. Welcome to our video presenting 12 signs of low self-esteem and how to overcome them. Low self-esteem is a pervasive negative self-view leading to feelings of inadequacy and unworthiness. Examples include constant self-criticism, believing one is undeserving of success or love, and feeling inferior to others. It affects overall self-worth and impacts relationships, career, and mental health. In this video, we'll explore 12 common signs of low self-esteem and provide practical strategies to boost your confidence and self-worth. Stay tuned at the end of the video for a special bonus to help build your confidence and embrace your true worth. You won't want to miss it. Sign number 1, negative self-talk. When you constantly criticize yourself, like thinking, "I'm so stupid, I always mess things up," it's a sign of low self-confidence. This negative self-talk can make you feel inadequate and doubt your abilities, leading to anxiety, depression, and hesitation to try new things. To overcome this, try to be kinder to yourself. Challenge and reframe your negative thoughts and practice positive affirmations. For example, replace, "I'm so stupid with everyone makes mistakes and I can learn from this." Talking to a therapist or counselor can also help you develop healthier thinking patterns and boost your self-esteem. Additionally, mindfulness and journaling can help you recognize and change these harmful thoughts. Remember, you deserve to treat yourself with the same compassion you offer others. Sign number 2, poor self-appearance. When you constantly feel dissatisfied with your appearance, like thinking, "I look terrible, nothing looks good on me," it's a sign of low self-confidence. This poor perception of your physical appearance can make you feel inadequate and diminish your self-worth, leading to anxiety, depression, and avoiding social situations. To overcome this, focus on what you like about yourself and practice self-acceptance. Challenge and reframe your negative thoughts. For example, replace, "I look terrible" with, "I have features I like and I can highlight them." Taking care of yourself with a healthy lifestyle and grooming can also boost your confidence. Talking to a therapist or counselor can help you develop a healthier self-image. Remember, you deserve to appreciate and celebrate your unique self. Sign number 3, focusing on flaws. When you constantly dwell on your imperfections, like thinking, "I can't do anything right," it's a sign of low self-esteem. This habit can overshadow your talents and capabilities, leading to feelings of worthlessness, stress, and avoiding new challenges. To break this cycle, focus on your positive qualities and successes. Challenge and change your negative thoughts. For instance, replace, "I can't do anything right" with, "I have strengths and skills that I can build on." Embracing gratitude and positive affirmations can help you appreciate your value. Speaking with a therapist or counselor can support you in gaining a more balanced perspective. Remember, you deserve to acknowledge and appreciate your unique abilities and successes. Sign number 4, constant comparisons. When you constantly compare yourself to others, like thinking, "They are so much better than me," it's a sign of low self-esteem. This behavior can diminish your sense of self-worth, leading to feelings of inadequacy and envy, and hindering your personal growth. To stop this, focus on your own journey and achievements. Challenge and shift your negative thoughts. For example, replace, "They are so much better than me" with, "I am on my own unique path and have my own strengths." Practicing self-compassion and setting personal goals can help you value yourself more. Talking to a therapist or counselor can assist in developing a healthier self-image. Remember, you deserve to celebrate your progress and individuality. Sign Number 5, excessive apologizing. When you constantly apologize, like thinking, "I'm sorry, it's my fault," even when it's unnecessary, it's a sign of low self-esteem. This habit can make you feel undeserving and overly responsible for situations, leading to stress and diminished self-worth. To overcome this, recognize your value and set healthy boundaries. Challenge and change your negative thoughts. For instance, replace "I'm sorry, it's my fault" with "I am allowed to make mistakes and learn from them." Practicing self-assurance and mindfulness can help you assert your needs confidently. Speaking with a therapist or counselor can support you in building a stronger sense of self. Remember, you deserve to stand up for yourself without unnecessary apologies. Sign number 6, low standards. When you constantly lower your standards, like thinking, "I shouldn't aim too high because I'll just fail," it's a sign of low self-esteem. This habit can prevent you from reaching your full potential, leading to feelings of dissatisfaction and stagnation. To break this cycle, believe in your capabilities and set ambitious yet realistic goals. Challenge and change your negative thoughts. For example, replace "I shouldn't aim too high" with "I am capable of achieving great things" with effort and determination. Embracing self-confidence and celebrating small victories can help you raise your standards. Talking to a therapist or counselor can support you in recognizing your worth and abilities. Remember, you deserve to pursue your dreams without settling for less. Sign number 7, fear of failure. When you constantly fear failure, like thinking, "I shouldn't try because I'll probably fail," it's a sign of low self-esteem. This mindset can hold you back from taking risks and pursuing opportunities, leading to missed chances and regret. To overcome this, embrace the idea that failure is a part of growth and learning. Challenge and reframe your negative thoughts. For instance, replace "I'll probably fail" with "Every attempt is a step toward improvement and success." Building resilience through self-compassion and focusing on progress rather than perfection can help. Talking to a therapist or counselor can support you in developing a healthier attitude toward failure. Remember, you deserve to pursue your goals without being paralyzed by the fear of failing. Sign number 8, need for approval. When you constantly seek approval from others, like thinking, "I need them to like me to feel good about myself," it's a sign of low self-esteem. This dependency can make you feel insecure and overly reliant on external validation, leading to anxiety and a lack of self-trust. To break this cycle, focus on validating yourself and building internal confidence. Challenge and change your negative thoughts. For instance, replace "I need them to like me" with "I am worthy and confident in my own abilities." Practicing self-acceptance and setting personal standards can help you feel more secure. Talking to a therapist or counselor can support you in building self-esteem from within. Remember, you deserve to feel good about yourself without needing constant approval from others. Sign number 9, rejecting compliments. When you constantly struggle to accept compliments, like thinking, "They don't really mean that," it's a sign of low self-esteem. This reaction can prevent you from recognizing your strengths and accomplishments, leading to feelings of unworthiness and self-doubt. To overcome this, practice accepting compliments graciously and acknowledging your positive qualities. Challenge and reframe your negative thoughts. For example, replace "They don't really mean that" with "I deserve to accept and appreciate positive feedback." Building self-awareness and practicing gratitude for your achievements can help. Talking to a therapist or counselor can support you in developing a healthier self-image. Remember, You deserve to believe and take pride in the compliments you receive. Sign number 10, people-pleasing. When you constantly overpraise others, like thinking, they are so much better than me, I could never be that good, it's a sign of low self-esteem. This behavior can diminish your self-worth and make you feel inferior, leading to feelings of inadequacy and self-doubt. To overcome this, focus on recognizing your own strengths and achievements. Challenge and change your negative thoughts. For instance, replace "I could never be that good" with "I have my own unique talents and qualities." Practicing self-affirmations and setting personal goals can help you value yourself more. Engaging in activities you excel at and seeking feedback from trusted friends can also boost your confidence. Remember, you deserve to acknowledge and celebrate your own abilities and accomplishments. Sign number 11, giving up control. When you constantly let others make decisions for you, like thinking they know better than I do, it's a sign of low self-esteem. This habit can undermine your sense of autonomy and confidence, leading to feelings of powerlessness and dependency. To overcome this, practice making small decisions on your own and trust your judgment. Challenge and change your negative thoughts. For example, replace "they know better than I do" with "I am capable of making good decisions for myself." Building decision-making skills by learning from your experiences and setting personal goals can help. Seeking support from a mentor or coach can also provide guidance without taking away your autonomy. Remember, you deserve to have confidence in your ability to make your own choices. Sign number 12, social withdrawal. When you constantly withdraw from social interactions, like thinking "I don't fit in, so it's better if I stay away," it's a sign of low self-esteem. This behavior can isolate you and prevent you from forming meaningful connections, leading to loneliness and further diminishing self-worth. To overcome this, start by engaging in small social activities that interest you and gradually build up your comfort level. Challenge and change your negative thoughts. For instance, replace "I don't fit in" with "I have unique qualities that others can appreciate." Practicing social skills and joining groups or clubs that align with your interests can help you feel more included. Remember, you deserve to connect with others and be part of a community. Thank you for watching our video on recognizing and overcoming signs of low self-esteem. Remember, you're not alone in facing these challenges. Everyone has moments of self-doubt, but recognizing these signs is the first step toward positive change. You have unique strengths and qualities that make you special. By applying the strategies we've discussed, such as challenging negative thoughts, setting personal goals, and practicing self-compassion, you can build a stronger, more confident self. Stay committed to your journey and know that it's okay to seek support when needed. You're capable of amazing growth, and we believe in you. Subscribe for more tips and encouragement on your path to self-improvement. Congratulations, you're one step closer to a better you. My purpose in life is to help others. God's love for us is our why at the PASSIONOY channel. Join me on a passion and joy-filled journey together, living our best lives, the PASSIONOY life. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. This helps us continue to make complimentary videos, and please share the video to help others live their best life. We look forward to reading your comments and responding. And last but not least, don't forget to hit the subscribe and notification button for access to our videos and channel updates. Now it's time to reveal that special bonus 11 powerful self-esteem boosters that will transform your confidence and enhance your overall well-being. Click the link in the video description for these invaluable tips, with hopes to help you live your best life now. Subscribe and become a PASSIONOY, someone living their best life every day. Thank you for watching our video. Please check out all that our channel has to offer. From videos, shorts, our community tab, and our email newsletter subscription and blog links, simply because we care about you.